All right. We are in video number 4. We're going to be talking about the area of triangles and trapezoids. All right, let's get right to it. We're going to go over to our star reference sheet. Okay, star reference sheet. The formulas are a little bit different from one another. Okay, so that's why they're written separately. Here's a triangle. Get a little bit larger there. Okay, so we've got a triangle. Okay, and so for that triangle, we've got 1/2 BH. That B and that H are the same things as listed as a rectangle and parallelogram. B is the base, H is the height. All right, and then when you're looking at the when we look at a trapezoid, okay, it's a similar but a little bit different formula. Okay, so you've got two B's and an H. So base B1 is base 1, B2 is base 2, and H again is the height. Okay, all of this is on our star reference sheet. Okay, and we're going to go through some examples and through our notes. All right, let's go ahead and get back to it. Okay, so as we look at the area of a triangle, all right, and so two triangles will form when a parallelogram is cut in half. Okay, so if I were to cut this parallelogram in half, okay, so then I've got, let's not do that one. Okay, so that you can see how I've got two triangles. Let's not do this, do this. Okay, I have an orange triangle. And then I have the pink triangle. Okay, two different triangles. So if I cut it in half, okay, so if a parallelogram was BH, so my area of a triangle is 1/2 that of a parallelogram, which is B times H. Okay, the height of the triangle will form a right angle. That's what I talked to you about earlier. Okay, right angle. Okay, so do not, these are not, not the height. Okay, this is the height. That's the height right there. Okay, so be very careful as you're looking through this. Always going to create a right angle. Create that right angle. So since we're looking at number 2, we'll say the formula's area is equal to 1/2 BH. So we're going to plug those values in. Area is equal to 1/2 of 3.5 times 2. Okay, so then that would give us, 1/2 of, then we multiply 3.5 times 2. That gives me 1/2 of 7. All right, so that would give me 3.5 meters. Very good. Let's wait and see who would catch it. Meters squared. Excellent. Area is always squared. Okay, that's a triangle. All right. That's a triangle. Take a snapshot of this example problem. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at the trapezoid. Yep, we're going to zip right through this. Okay. A trapezoid, is one or two triangles and a rectangle combined. Okay, we're going to use the formula. Let's write that down. Triangles and a rectangle combined. We're going to use this formula. A is equal to 1/2 B1 plus B2 times H. All right. B1 is the length of base 1. B2, length of base 2. H is the height. H is the height of the triangle. Excuse me, trapezoid. Okay, so again, they're going to trick you here a little bit because we've got the bases. Okay, so let's look at our bases. we've got this base and then this base. They are parallel to one another. All right, and then so you've got base 1, base 2. Does it matter which one is base 1 and base 2? No, it does not. Okay, now this next part is very important. Okay, very, very important. This is going to be our height. 4 inches is our height, not our height. Okay, because remember, this height is perpendicular to the base. The 5 is not perpendicular to the base. All right, let's go on over and solve this problem. So the formula, area is equal to 1/2 B1 plus B2 times H, which is that height. Let's plug in those values. Okay, so our area is equal to 1/2 of 7, 12, 7 plus 12 times H is 4, okay? So then my area, all right, so my area would be, I need to work this out for you. So area is going to be 1/2 of 7 plus 12 is 19. And then you had to bring down that 4 from above. So you've got half of 19 times 4. Okay, so that would be, half of 76. Excuse me, area is half of 76. So that means my area is going to be equal to 38 inches squared. Okay, that's our trapezoid. Okay. All right, take a snapshot of that page. You've got the kind of the guidance up top, an example on the bottom. Okay, any questions? Let me know. All right, that's it for this video. We'll see you on the next one.